Should I tell my family members that I have a YouTube channel? Yes and no. In this video, I'm going to be answering 14 questions every YouTuber asks, both the big YouTubers and the small YouTubers. Yes, you are listening to a YouTuber who has just 14 subscribers on his YouTube channel and is giving you advice. Yes, I know. But listen to me, hear me out. These 40 questions I'm giving answers to, the answers are not just coming from me, they are coming from all that big YouTubers too that I've watched their videos, I've learned a lot from them, I've been following them for years. Big creators like Think Media, VidIQ, Mr. Beast, and the likes. So those guys have answered these questions. I'm just going to be telling you in summary what this guy said. I learned a lot, so you should watch the video to the end because I'm going to answer that question you thought no YouTuber has answered. As a creator on YouTube, you already have an existing amount of subscribers. If you post your video when your subscribers are not active on YouTube, you're going to get very small views compared to when they're active. It's a very simple logic. But no, because you as a small creator who just started and you don't have any subscribers, no like, no comment, nothing on YouTube, YouTube will have to promote your video for you by taking your videos and testing it with a small group of viewers. If those guys watch your video, they give you a like and drop comments and there's much engagement, then the YouTube algorithm is going to push that video to more and more people. Yes, you should tell your family member you have a YouTube channel because you may have that one family member who has a YouTube channel who is already a content creator and may have great YouTube advice for you that can help you as a small creator and then you grow big and fast. So no, because they may not be interested in what you want to do. Take for example, you have a gaming channel and then you tell your mom who is into cooking videos and all of that. You tell her, Mom, I have a YouTube channel, and she'll be like, oh wow, that's cute. What's the name of your channel? And then you go ahead and tell her the name of your channel. She search you, she subscribe to your channel, and it ends there. Literally end there. Because when you post that gaming video, she's not going to watch it because she's not into gaming. Same thing applies to your friends. It's all about giving them the value for their time. If they find whatever thing you're posting to be valuable, then they're going to watch, they're going to subscribe. Of course, your family is your biggest fan, they're going to support you. For me, when I started this YouTube channel, I did not allow any of my family members even know about it because I wanted people that I know that would love my content for what I'm posting to actually subscribe and watch my videos. I know that my family supports me, but they are not supporting me on the YouTube channel because I know they're not watch my videos because I'm talking about YouTube education and all. So my dad doesn't want to know what YouTube education is. He just wants to make money. Have you seen those videos on YouTube that have fast pace, fast chords, fast talk, fast music, fast everything?
I need to break this cycle. So in this video, I will try to create a short.
Yes, those are hyper edited videos. And there was a time it rained on YouTube. This is also a yes and no question. You can also make you do use of your opinion in this case. Because what's the whole point of teaching in a video when whoever it is you are teaching isn't benefiting or isn't gaining the value from it? Most of those videos, everything is so fast, even the viewers may not even gain anything at the end of the entire video, which is really bad. People love authenticity, originality, naturality, organically. People love those new things. So once they see something new, they want to watch, and that's why it became very popular because it was a new style of editing that people didn't really know about, even though it already existed. For example, this guy, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast used fast-paced editing and his videos are very engaging. That's what those videos can do. But what's the point of making a hyper-edited video when you are doing a tutorial video? You are teaching somebody how to do something. I'm doing very, very fast. Me, I will not understand. So I've seen a lot of YouTube comments that say, I don't like hyper-edited videos. There are so many that are trash and all of that. I like hyper-edited videos because they are fast, you get to the point and all of that. So it depends on your audience. So if you already have an existing audience, then you can go ahead and make your decision. Again, it also depends on your personality. So if you're a guy that loves fun and all of that, you can make something like that. Or you can just do a head talking like me. I'm not using a script, I'm not using a hyper-edited video. I'm talking to the camera and giving you value. Of course, I know it's value I'm giving you and you're benefiting from whatever thing I'm saying because I'm saying it in a way that a normal human is going to understand. You get my point, right? Yes, AI content gets monetized. So most of you just go and check it on Social Blade and say, wow, this AI content is getting $22. Sorry, $22,000. They don't see $22. It's only $1,000. So $22,000 every month. These guys are just making it big. They are cashing out. They are raking in all the cash and many of those languages you guys use. For for example, I want my target audience to be the guys from the United States of America, then I make videos for them. Of course, my channel is going to explode because these guys are one of the most active users of YouTube. Remember, it's India, it's America, and some other top ranking countries. So for example, a country like Luxembourg, a guy from Luxembourg is posting a content that is specifically geared towards people in Luxembourg. Because those guys may not be as active as those in America, his views are going to be relatively low to the person who is posting for the American audience. So yes, country of residence can affect your views. First of all, I'm going to tell you this. Short form content is different from long form content. So most guys out there will think that it's just the same. You got to go fast, post your short form, all that. You can post long form, you can post short form. It depends on you. Based on the advice I've got from big YouTubers, Think Media, and the rest of them. It's better you focus on one particular gen. You're going to focus on developing your short channel, focus on that and make it big. But you're going to focus on doing the long form content, focus on that and make it big. Mind you, the revenue from short form content is very short, like small. You cannot compare it to long form content. But short form content creator can upload anytime. But long form content, it depends on what your niche is, what you are posting. The way my Wizideaz edits his videos, you cannot expect him to post in every day or 2 times a week. The amount of effort he puts in his video will not allow him to upload videos consistent. You see those guys, they upload once a month, are giving you so much value and they need time to research. So if you are doing all this research, you are writing script and you are doing it the right way, you're not going to put any pressure on yourself and say, oh, it's Tuesday again, I need to upload videos on Tuesday, I must upload this Tuesday. It's good, you have to create it so that you will focus, you'll be consistent and all of that. You have to give value, but it's not at the detriment of your own health. But when you finally upload that video, make sure it's a banger video, a very good video that everybody wants to watch that video. That is why these guys keep on getting millions of views, uploading videos that are very high quality and good quality, genuine, clean videos. They make it big, because if you are consistently posting rubbish all the time, nobody's going to watch it, so your videos are going to flop. Anytime you go to your YouTube channel, why do you always see small creators being recommended to you? That guy who posted videos 5 days ago who has just 20 views, are you to be showing you that guy for you to watch his video? Because they are promoting all these small channels. So yes, YouTube is still really worth it. Everything about YouTube is just so simple if you know how to apply the right tools. Now I'm saying this very simple. If you tap on this, subscribe. I found this question on Quora. No, there are a lot of processes, there are a lot of procedures, there are a lot of requirements. YouTube needs to verify everything before you blow. So those guys that tell you make motivational videos with AI and all of that, and you get monetized in 2 days, in 3 days, in 4 days. Nah, if I'm wrong, you can tell me in the comment section and give me your reasons too. You just give people value. If you're giving your audience value or people value, people will value your content and they'll watch and you succeed. It's just simple. You can. I've seen a lot of videos that do TikTok compilation of a particular creator or a comedian or a skit maker. Yes, you can upload TikTok videos on your shorts channel. Yes, copyrighted videos get monetized, but guess what? The money does not go to you as the creator, it goes to the original owner of the content. So any video you upload and the music is copyrighted, whatever revenue that video is bringing is not going to come to you, it's going to go to the original owner of that song. That is why if you're going to use music in your videos, it's better you go for a paid platform where you can get the license to actually use their music. Yes, everybody has an unfair advantage. Unfair advantages are those little things that distinct you from other people. And you have to be unique. Your audience need to know you and see you for who you are. You don't need to pretend. You don't need to front. You are not posting the video for algorithm. You are posting the video for audience. Humans like you, people like you are giving them value. So, be yourself. So if you want more on that particular topic, unfair advantage, you want to know what it is and how you can discover yours, please tell me in the comment section right now. Now, I may not necessarily find a video that's going to tell me, oh, post it at this particular time. You can post your videos anytime. But if you are going to be targeting the United States, I'll go and check their time zone the most time they are active. I've done the research. It works for me. I'm telling you, this guy with 40 subscribers, it worked for me. I've seen a lot of videos on the internet telling you that video tags are unnecessary. I've tried it and I found out that sometimes it works. As a startup creator, you need to tag your video so that you have a specific group of audience YouTube will push that video to.